Okay, this number is about bases. So, as a reminder, when we write in base 10, like, okay, 95, for example, we mean 9 by 10 plus 5 by 10 to the 0. Okay, or like, for example, if we have 3, 4, 9, what it really means is 3 by 10 squared plus 4 by 10 power 1 plus 9, 10 to the 0. And a reminder that any number to the power of 0 is just 1. Okay? If we have another base, we're basically going to do the same thing, right? So when we have, for example, if we had like 7, 2, 9 in base 2, actually that doesn't work because you can't have numbers bigger than the number itself, right? So if we're using base 2, the only possible thing we could do is like 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, and we basically start from this 0 is 0 by 2 to the 0. The first one is 1 by 2 to the power of 1. This one will be now 2 to the power 2. This 0 will be 0 by 3, and this one here will be 1. Okay? So you can kind of think of it like, let's just revise a little bit. So like the 0 goes to adding on this position goes here, right? Then this next number is then multiplied by the next highest power of the number, right? So we start from 2, 0. Now we have 2 to the power 1. Now the next number will get multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Then the next number will get multiplied by 2 to the power 3. And this number will then get multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Okay? So let's do another practice one with base 3. So like, okay. Sorry, wrong pen. Okay, so imagine we have 2, 1, 0, 2 in base 3. So this time I'm going to be lazy and write these out first. So 3, 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, and 3 power 3. Okay? Now this 2 is going to go here. The 0 is going to go here. This 1 is going to go here. And okay, we're not use this 2 is going to go here. Okay, so just like when we were doing base 10, if we had something, this in base 3, so this little number tells you what base you're using. So if I have like 957 in base 10, what I actually mean to do is, okay, you have 10 power 0 here, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, this 7 goes here, this 5 goes here, and this 9 goes here. Okay, now she'll go back to the question. The question says that 325 in base x, so 3, wait, is it correct? 235, sorry. 235 in base x is equal to 95 in base 10. So that's just a normal 95. Okay, so 235 base x, so we're going to put here x power 0, here x power 1, here x power 2. Okay, so we have, let's do this. This 5 goes here. This 3 goes here. And what color do we not use? This 2 goes here. Okay, and then this is equal to 95. Okay? Okay. Sorry, these x's are confusing, so we're just going to write it like this. Okay, so we have 2x squared plus 3x, and reminder that x power 0 for any number is just 1. Okay? Plus 5 equals 95. This is a quadratic equation, so we're going to bring this back over here. 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 minus 95 equals 0. So we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 90 equals 0. Okay, the factors of 90 are 9 by 10, 3 by 30, 15 by 6. 15 by 6 is probably what we want because we have it multiplied by 2 also. Okay, so you could use the formula, but here we're just going to basically guess and say, okay, we have 15 by 6. We want the 6 to be multiplied by 2 to give 12, right? And then here's 1, so here's x, and we want it to be plus and minus. Okay, equals 0. Oops, we are running out of space. Let me move the next question away. Okay, so we have 2x plus 15 times x minus 6 equals 0. You can always multiply them back out to check that it's correct. But basically what we did was look at all the factors of 90, which are up here. There are some more, I think I just didn't write them out. There's like 5 by 18. And basically we want to get an answer of 3x, right, between the pluses and minuses. 15 and 6 is the closest because we also have it multiplied by 2 at the front, okay? So we use 15 and 6 and then multiply the 6 by 2 to get 12. And this, oh, sorry, this is a 1x. Okay, let me just write it better. Okay, so here is our equation, 2x plus 15 or x minus 6 equals 0. So let's do 2x plus 15 equals 0, then 2x is minus 15, and x is minus 7.5, and that's silly. You can't have a base that's a fraction and a negative sign. However, x minus 6 equals 0 means x equals 6 works. And then we're just going to double check, right? So we had 235 in base 6. Let's just multiply out what this is. Okay, so we have 6 power 0, 6 power 1, 6 power 2. So we have 5 by this plus 3 by this plus 2 by this. So we have 2 by 6 squared, so we have 2 by 36 plus 3 by 6 is 18. Remember 6 power 0 is 1. All right, don't forget that because or else your answer will be wrong. Plus 5. Okay, 2 times 36. 2 sixes is 12 and carry a 1. 2 threes is 6 and 1 is 7. Plus 18 plus 5. Okay, 72 and 18. The 8 and 2 will give a 0 and carry a 1 will give a 9. 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Yay! Okay, so our x equals 6 worked out.